Hi guys, I hope you are all well and good. So today we're gonna see how to find maximum and minimum of array containing positive element. So let's get into it. Say let's get an input s is equals to str dot input, and then we're gonna split it. Z is equals to s dot split, comma. So the elements are differing by a space, so we're gonna put a space in between these two. So since the elements are in string type, we're gonna convert into int type. So for I in range length of z, and then z of I is equals to int of z of I. So like that. First of all, we're gonna see our arrays working or not. And z. Let's run it up. So I want 123, 4, 5 and 78. So we got array 123, 4, 5, 7, 8. And next. So we're gonna see three ways. In first two we're gonna use inbuilt functions, and in the last way we're gonna use only loops. So let's see. In first way we're gonna use maximum and minimum function, and so for maximum we got max of z. Like that we would be getting maximum of the z, and in minimum we're gonna use min of z. That we will get being the minimum element of the array. So let's print it out. Print max 1 comma min 1. Let's see. And 123, 4, 5, 7, 8. So our maximum is 123 as we saw, and minimum is 4, like that. Next, so this is the first method. We're gonna see the next method. So the same array, and we're gonna use sorted function. So let's see. R is equals to sorted of z. So in this sorted, it will sort all the elements in the array, and maximum will be the in the last, and minimum will be in the first. So max 2 is equals to r of -1, since it represents the last element, and min 2 will be r of 0. First element is the minimum, right? So print max 2 comma min 2. Let's see, we'll be getting same or different. 123, 4, 5, 7, 8, same. So we're gonna getting the same maximum and same minimum. So let's see the third method. In this we are not gonna use any inbuilt functions. So let's initialize the value max 2, max 3. So it's to 0. Since all are positive, it should be greater than 0, right? So for I in z, if I greater than max 3, max 3 is equals to I. So if an element like 123 is greater than 0, so max 3 will be 123. If 4 is less than 123, so it will be continuing. So 5 less than 123 continues. 78 less than 123, it continues. Say if I put a big number like 500, so 500 greater than 123, right? It will be converted to 500, like that. So we're gonna get our max 3 here, and so to find min 3, we're gonna initialize it to max 3, since this is the highest element in the array, and at least there should be one element that would be lesser than this element in various different elements, more than one. So let's see. if for I in Z, if I less than mean 3 is equals to I, that's all. Print max 3 comma min 3. Let's see. 123 4 5 7 8 at 123 4 5 and 8. So we got same output. These are all for elements greater than 1, number of elements greater than 1 in an array. So if array contains only one element, the minimum and the maximum would be the same element, only one first element. So it will be the z of 0, right? That's all. Thank you.